I think automation and robotization are something which we cannot ignore. I have mentioned enough in my book also, Are You Digital Dinosaur? Primarily, it is going to help, these technologies are going to help increase productivity and efficiency. So the requirement is that we need to upskill ourselves. At the same time, there are some themes like job displacement, skill shift, or job transformation, or socio-economic changes which are going to be there. So as a HR leaders or policy makers, we have to make sure that we create, an ecosystem in which we have culture of upskilling everybody in the organization and in the socio-economic area also. So these are going to impact. I'll give you one example here. I come from the healthcare industry, and there, let me not name the agency which has come out with this innovation. Normally, a new drug molecule takes around 10 years to 12 years, or to be discovered, and then, of course, for marketing, another 5 to 10 years. So it's a 20 years time frame. But with the technologies like automation, robotization, quantum computing, recently I saw a quantum computer of Google also. Earlier it was IBM's. This thing can happen within just 1 year itself, or even months also. I think you have seen an example of COVID vaccines coming in 9 months sharp. So these are the advantages. So we should not be afraid of robotization and automation, but it's a requirement, I'll say it. Sure. So I will say that if you are not adept at it, then you should be afraid of it. I mean, as a leader, we should be knowing what to do. And as an operator, we should know the skills about it. I think I think we know it that anything which is repetitive, from healthcare point of view, typical example which is given in umpty number of times, even in my book, is that, there is a possibility that radiology department where they see X-rays, the machine can read the X-ray better than a human eye. So that is something which is there. That is from the hospital point of view. But in a pharmaceutical point of view, the HR departments, when it comes to even in the training part also, when we say that when we are doing those knowledge tests, these can be automated also. And in nudges which are being sent by the virtual managers, they are much effective than the real managers. Of course, they lack the empathy part. So they are giving a repetitive aspect, financial aspect, financial management, again a repetitive things. The reports which have to be culled out at the end of the month, a machine can do it much better if you just set up the algorithms properly. So from that perspective, those are the things which are required. Of course, there are other things which automation cannot do, which is bigger skills like empathy or emotional intelligence as of now.